Good evening, everyone. Welcome to video tutorial number 10 of the Sieveking exercises. And tonight I want to show you the double thirds exercise. So we're going to use whole tones and start with middle C. A whole tone leaves one key out. Doesn't matter the color. So whole tone, whole tone, whole tone leaves that one out. Whole tone leaves that one out. So you're over these notes. It puts an even stretch between each finger, which is helpful to developing a strong hand. So you go 1 and 3, and you go 2 and 4, 3 and 5, 2 and 4. And you listen for a nice healthy tone with a quick sharp finger. Second group, third group, fourth group. On the fourth note of the fourth group, you tie your third finger and lift 5 when you play your thumb. That lets you set up maybe moving 1 and 3 up a semitone. So from C to C and E, you move to C sharp and D and E sharp. Third group, fourth group. So you just tie the middle finger, lift 5, and move that 1 and 3 up a semitone. And the other thing is, when you're on a group of 2, it's white, and then you're going to be on a group of 3 will be black. When you're on around the group of 2, it's white, then the group of 3 will be black. When the group of 2 is black, the group of 3 is white. 2 is black, 3 is white. 2 is black, 3 is white. And then on the outsides, the middle is all the 3 are black, and the outsides are white. So then all 3 are white, then the top one is black. Black on the bottom, white on the top. So on. So now you take 1 and 3 and move up a semitone. Fourth group is just hold the middle finger and play your thumb when you lift 5 and add 5. Now you come 5 and 3 down a semitone. So, and these are whole tones again. So that fourth group, just hold your middle finger and lift your thumb and play 5. Then you take that 5 and 3 down a semitone. All the way down to the middle C again. And the left goes with the right at the same time. So 1 and 3 plays in the right, 1 and 3 plays in the left. So the 1 and 3 is going to be 2 and 4, 3 and 5, 2 and 4. And tighten your hand. You've got to stay loose. If it feels sore or tight, you're doing it wrong, and you don't want to continue it when you're causing soreness, because it's doing it wrong. You could injure yourself. that's in the keys. fourth group, you just tie that middle finger and add your thumb, lift 5 and repeat the 5. Now descending, you take 5 and 3 down a semitone. So that lift your thumb, play 5, leave 3 down, and come down a semitone. It's done hands together. I'll try showing you hands together, but I don't think I can do it. Hold supporting here anyway. All the way up and then down. So keep it slow and heavy and loose. And then there's a whole series of up 1 octave and down 1 octave. There's a whole series of single note ones, whole tones. And we used to have to do it hands together. Up 3 octaves, down 3 octaves, and you have to, about halfway up, she'd make you go faster, and then near the top as fast as you can go. And then she'd switch to some of the other ones, like you'd have to be able to go to 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2. Right after your mind gets settled in with that, then she'd make you do the 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. Or she'd make you do 1, 5, 4, 5, 3, 4, 2, 3. So on the first one, it's hard to hold the camera and do it at the same time. But those are the sequence of them, and they're a real workout for your hands. So I hope you can do some of those, and they have to be done every day, though. You have to put real discipline to it. Anyway, I hope you gained something from that, and good practicing. Have a good night. Bye-bye.